Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have decided I need to do a I don't know what I'm doing moment again. And I think I might do swipes or smears, but in any case I'm going to start with some Chantilly lace. And where's my... I had a paper towel. I have a paper towel. I just rinsed a tool and got some splatter on there. So let's just... Let's just wish I'd cleared that tip. Let's just pour a little bit of that right on there. And then I'm just going to pour, hopefully, I've got some unicorn spit, which is orange stain added to Tuscan Sun. That I want to use up. I could just set right there for a minute. Or not. Because I've enjoyed, whoops, there goes my marble. It's going to join the rest. Oh my goodness. Okay. No more marble. I'm going to tip that upside down someplace so that it can drain toward the tip, and then maybe we can get the rest of it out of there. So that's the orange crush. No, that's the Tuscan Sun with some unicorn spit in it. This is the orange crush with some big apple in it. This is my hot orchid, which I meant to clean the tip out of. I got it sort of clear. Means maybe I'll be using some pink diamond. I really wanted to use that though. Let's see how quickly I can do this. Probably not quickly enough. Wow, my tip clearing tool, which is nothing more than a paper towel. Paper towel on the end of a skewer. Magic and miraculous. So I'm just going to use favorite colors, as I said. And I'm going to try and leave... Oh, much better. I'm going to try and leave some of the Chantilly lace. I want to use some silver. And I don't care if I don't make all of the marks I'm putting down go away. I am planning on using the black Amsterdam cell activator that's got Aussie Floetrol in it. I have some sour lemon with a little bit of unicorn spit added to it, which is, I used to call it Velveeta. It's actually, I've seen this color in another brand of paint called Dairy Lid, which reminds me I have a 20% off Color Art coupon code right underneath the video. Who knows, this could be that moment that I'm always talking about where I just save what I'm doing. Because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which does mean that cracking is reduced substantially in heavy paint. I'm having fun. I needed to have fun. So I'm going to use a little Mayan gold too. Oh, that was a paint chip. Where did it go? I'm not sure. Maybe I was mistaking it for the cap. Just going to keep turning, and I have a really small, actually really small is incorrect. I have a new acetate tool that I made slightly larger than some of the others. Not as large as the biggest one, just to be completely confusing. I'm going to use a little bit of Tuscan Sun. And I talked about pink diamond, so now it's up to me to find it. I believe that this is it. I have some paint in a dish. I'm really curious to see if it's something I could use in here. I don't know if it is. Let's see if I can grab a little tiny palette knife. I'm not sure if it's right, but it's not wrong. It's got some cool stripes in it. And I don't think it was going to be able to be useful for much of anything for very much longer. Pop that bubble. I'm trying to remember what was in here. I think it was not Whispering Wind. It must have been Frozen. Some Twilight Orchid. A little Hot Orchid. And some Fandango. That's interesting that I can dribble it. Still, I wasn't sure that that would be the case. Oh, there must be some Mayan gold in there as well, because I can see the beautiful color shimmering up at me. It's adding a little bit of dimension and some kind of weird shapes. And I'm getting to use it up, which always makes me happy. And if I don't mix it too much, I get to keep the colors. And I think my dish is not going to let me have much else. It does make me think I might want some more Frozen in there. So it's a nonsensical composition, but it's still kind of fun. And I didn't find that tool yet, and there it is. And do I really want to use it? That is the question. I like keeping the sharp end of the skewer on these tools because it comes in handy. I'm wondering, I had kept the dull end so I could dot. Since I've already got a couple spirals, that shouldn't be a problem. I'm not sure I'm going to get to use any cell activator. I'm having too much fun officially. I need to wipe that off if I want the white though. Because the one thing about the Hot Orchid is that it's not available anymore as a Prizm pour. Don't forget that 20% off coupon code. But you can still get it as Jasmine in primary elements. I'm having officially too much fun. again. Well, I'm going to pop a couple bubbles. I love how this looks like mother of pearl. The colors from the last one, the blue, green, and pink and purple. It was purple, Twilight Orchid. I think I said that in there. The end of the stick that's broken has a little filament on the end, and it makes a little tiny, tiny dot, which I find very compelling. I like my colors. I know it's time to decide if I'm going to swipe or not, but I think the answer is not. I'm sorry to say. Well, I don't know if I'm sorry or not. I'm going to grab some of that nasty paint. See if I can use it to make a spiral. That's just fun. Okay, it's time for me to grab my phone. Tell you guys I love you. Check out my link tree. It's underneath, show more underneath the video. Know that I have 2,400 videos. Yeah, I'm still having too much fun. Way too much fun. And if something looks off like that did, I will continue to fix things as I go. Let's give it one nice spiral right in there. Yeah. Good thing to do with leftovers. This needs another spiral. I think I'm just going to start doing that before I get to glop. Anything that looks like it has a bubble, like that did. Just fun. Too much fun. Okay, maybe just enough fun. I keep adding spirals expecting them not to work out, and they seem to be good every time. And I haven't shimmered anything at you yet, which I definitely need to do. Okay, let's try. And that might also prompt me to find a few bubbles if there are any. I don't see much of anything. I just like these colors and I like that composition. And thank you guys for joining me so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. That's fun. Just squeezing and pouring paint on. I should go down there a little closer. It's still fun. Look at that shimmer. That's awesome. That Chantilly lace is sparkling like a snowfield of diamonds. I see that bubble coming up. Goodbye, bubble. I will keep my eye out for a few more minutes. Paint will probably spread a little bit. I'm going to have to paint another canvas to do. Prime another canvas with the Meeden black, which is on my Amazon link near my 2 books, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. My first and second 100 videos for YouTube with all the processes, tools, and paint mixtures. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address, if you want to contact me in regard to purchasing an artwork or making a reservation for a class, is easpb, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. Please share my videos if you have a mind to it. It's a big assistance to me and I really appreciate it. Spring clothing below the video is what you see with my designs on it. When you shop my links, you help me out. I also have Legalerist clothing on the Linktree. Pixels.com, Fine Art America. I have a variety of things. Society 6 also has clothing and other merchandise. Really cool, awesome, fun to go look at no matter what. And if I can give you guys any help with anything, just leave me a message in comments. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. I keep umming. My paint pouring recipe are below the video. And I have over 2,400 videos. If you guys would like to check them out, go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists by going to my YouTube channel. Or just ask me because I have them saved by topic and genre and by the 100. And I think that's pretty much everything. Oh, if you want to see a design reproduced on something at Spring or Pinterest, excuse me, Fine Art America or Pixels.com, not Pinterest. Everything is listed at Pinterest, though. I have huge amounts of things shown at Pinterest. No more ums. I love you guys. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you're interested in helping the studio produce more videos, please by all means use the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and if you do so, you'll be invited to have a 15-minute free consultation from 30 days from the time that you make your donation. I like experimenting with the skinny end of the skewer. And I'm still looking for bubbles. You guys, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm easily distracted. Ooh, shiny. Applies big time. Don't forget to shop color art. You'll love it. I promise. Bye for now. Priscilla out.